Protect and waterproof concrete, DampEnd, your fiber-reinforced cementitious waterproof coating solution. DampEnd is a two-part, polymer-modified, fiber-reinforced cementitious coating used to waterproof aqua-life fish ponds, the internal skin of cavity walls, or to act as a barrier coating in damp repair work. It can also be used as an adhesion layer over torch-on systems where extreme adhesion is required. The key benefits of DampEnd includes exceptional adhesive properties. It can be used for positive and negative waterproofing. It is a great alternative for torch-on maintenance, and it is directly paintable and can be tiled over. DampEnd is also an excellent waterproofing system that can be used under artificial turf or decking on balconies and roof slabs. Protect and waterproof concrete with DampEnd.